Okay, so I've started recording, Asif, and we've just finished our welcome call for the Freedom Mentorship Program. This is a 1-year Freedom Mentorship Program that you've already enrolled. Just a quick note, guys, if you're watching this as a replay or a video, let me tell you, um, um, Asif is based in the United States. He is originally from Bangladesh, and he's a U.S. citizen uh, as we speak. And we just finished our welcome call, and I would like to ask you, Asif, how was this welcome call?
Shabir, the insight you shared, like I had a lot of information. There's information on YouTube, there's information everywhere. You Google it, you find a lot of information. But you shared insight that I would have never found, elsewhere, because you have done it before and you gave me like really solid answer to all the questions and the whole game plan, the whole blueprint. You laid it out in the welcome call. So I feel a lot more confident about each of the small components that will solve the puzzle. So it's like a huge puzzle. Like where do you even start? But you sort of like gave me the whole blueprint, do this, then do this, then do this. So I'm getting a lot more confidence to launch my first product and to uh, go with the email sequence and stuff like that. What to do after the launch when I have a list, what to do with that list. So that was huge. Like let's say if we drive traffic, we get a list, but what do we do with that list? Like this is the money is in the list, but how do you actually extract that money from that list? And that's a huge mystery that a lot of coaching don't cover the aftermath of the list. So I feel a lot more confident about the whole game plan, and I see this as a like a solid business plan, like a solid long-term business plan, not just something I'll be doing like one time, two time, and then gone. It's not like that. So it's like a very solid business plan that can be done for many years to come, and the benefits will be for many years.
Awesome. So thank you for sharing that detailed stuff. But guys, let me tell you something. Asif here already is running his own digital marketing agency, and he already knows enough, right? But the insights that I've shared with him, now he knows that how he can build an email list of over 10,000 subscribers and build a trust with them in less than 40 days, and start uh, building his YouTube channels, Instagram, and start increasing his following, plus start getting sales out of it. I've shared those strategies, I've shared my experiences, and I've shared some very powerful insights. And you just heard what Asif is saying. So thank you for the kind words, Asif, and hopefully, not hopefully, but I am sure, and you are sure that you are going to be making those 6 figures very soon, leveraging this Freedom Mentorship Program for 1 year.
Definitely, I'm super excited for the next coaching calls.
Awesome, awesome. So that being said, uh, this is where I would like to conclude this video and this testimonial. Guys, if you want to enroll into my Freedom Mentorship Program, make sure you click the link below anywhere, or maybe if you're watching this on YouTube, go to the description and you can see all the details there. Have a great day ahead.